Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So, right now XRP is rolling, isn't it? It's putting a fear of God into people, as the whole crypto market is, but it's relatively strong against other alts. I did make this tweet yesterday. We are coming down to this technical target, this falling wedge that I gave you a few weeks ago. I said to you, look, if you start to close below that, you've got a short opportunity down to there, okay, which will be a technical target. If you start to close above that resistance there, you're going to start to come back up, and this is how it works. You close below support, you're going to come down. You close above resistance, you're going to come up, basically. So right now, if you start to come down and you close below this key level of support on the weekly time frame, okay, then that's giving more precedence to the fact that you are rolling, and I would imagine that this white line is a target around about 30 cents for XRP, and you have effectively topped out here, and we've rolled and we've continued to roll, and we've entered the bear market right there by losing this low. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for, this structure to be lost. At the minute, you're hanging on by the skin of your teeth. Okay, I know it's bad, but you do usually come down to support to test it, right? So immediately, okay, there's a key level of resistance right here. I'm going to show you how you work this out just looking at candles. Okay, so look, just there we lost a double M top pattern, I think, in the summer, just there in September. We had that double M top pattern just there that we created for ourselves. Do you see that's a key level support that XRP created? Look, double M top, depleting buying trend, and essentially a descending triangle. And like I said to you at the time, you lose that, you got a technical target, and the technical target of double M top pattern was met. It was a beautiful short up. Okay, and you can see that once you start to rally here, where did you find resistance? On the previous support of the double M top pattern. Okay, you failed to close above it. So it's all about closing and opening above resistance and support. So right now, like I said to you the whole time, if you start to close above that, that's bullish. That's amazing, because you're confirming, you're breaking out to the upside. But if you start to come down and you close below this key level support just there, even this key level support on the weekly where you've closed above right now, if you start to do that, you're increasing the probability of losing support, and you're going to have technical targets to the downside. So immediately, okay, we've got some positive or potential positivity this week for XRP. We're coming down. Okay, if we can come down and meet that target, that's the target met, technical target met, beautiful. Get the wick down like that, start to come back up. Okay, there's a key level resistance, okay, which is this level just there. Do you see that? So that's your key level of resistance right now, because look, this is support, lost it. You start to rally back into it. This is going to offer an amazing opportunity right here to go short or long if you break, or you find it resistance. So if you start to close above that, okay, all about closing above it, this is where you're going to start to come back up to this white line here. Okay, and you can see that you're still trading within this huge descending triangle. Okay, and just here could offer an amazing opportunity to go long with a stop loss. Obviously, we'll set stop losses to start to come back up and attack this key level resistance just here. Do you see that? It's a key level resistance. So again, if we get some really positive news come out from the Fed on Wednesday, and it's everything that's going on in the world is a bit of a nothing burger, and the market's just sort of spitting its dummy out and overreacting to something that isn't. If we start to come back off this support and hold it, this could be a beautiful 42% huge God candle, basically, like this. You break out, okay, after coming down and testing key support and driving the fear of God into people. It's all about your closes. So, this is what you always do. You trade on confirmation of breaks of resistance and loss of support. Okay, I've taught you that much right now. Like I said to you last week, you start closing below this, you're coming down, basically. So you can see you're coming down. This week, have a wick down, okay, potentially today or tomorrow. Continue with this correction, come down to this target, open a beautiful little long with stop losses. Always set stop losses, okay, and then ride it back up to that key level resistance just there, which I've not given you, have I? I do apologise. That's a key level of resistance, because previous resistance becomes support, and support becomes resistance. Do you understand that? You've lost support, come down to the target. Right now, that's resistance just there, okay? So, for me, that is a key level of resistance moving forward for XRP, and I do think that if you do start to come back up there and you attack that and get above that, then obviously you're going to come back to that white line. And again, if you start to close above that, boom, and this is a correction done just there. Bitcoin, I'm going to say Bitcoin, sorry, XRP's bottomed out. You created a beautiful double bottom down here, and you start to come back up and attack that, and all the fear was in here, and it's nothing burger, and the market's overreacting and spitting a dummy out to something that isn't, basically. Because I know at the minute, the environment is risk off, and you've got the Ukraine and things like that, the World War III scenario, and different C word variants and things like that. So providing, you've not lost structure here, you've not lost support. That's what I'm trying to say to you. I know we're coming down, and this is bad. Okay, it's corrective. We're coming down. If we can hold this and not close below this, look, we've already shown strength by not closing below that. So if we have a wick down to support, get this build back up and attack. You know, this is a nothing burger. The market's overreacting to nothing, okay? And all it was opportunity. So yeah, let's watch this space, okay? Obviously, if you do start to close below that key level of support right there, you know, you're coming down, and I would be more biased to the fact that you're going to come all the way down to that white line, and you know, you've entered a bear market, and you got your bear market confirmation for XRP right there. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed that quick update on XRP, but always trade on confirmation of breaks of resistance and loss of support when you go short, you know, and always set stop losses, you know, so you don't lose all your money. If you sort of, especially if you're losing high leverage, don't use high leverage. And I've taught you that this much right now, okay? And all this can be done on Bybit. The link is in each and every single video description. I hope right now we've had a fantastic short, and I hope right now I'm finding a fantastic long up to that level of resistance for you, okay? And good luck, everybody. Stay focused and stay healthy, stay strong, and stay tuned. And thank you for your support, okay? Take care, everyone. Bye bye.